convolution theorem. Now problem based on a convolution theorem. The question is find L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 1 s plus 2 using convolution theorem. Using convolution theorem. The solution L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 1 s plus of a 2. That is, in a convolution is L inverse of f of s dot of a g of s. One is function of s, another one is the another function g of s. So this is in a L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 1 dot 1 divided by s plus of a 2. So f of s is 1 by s plus 1, g of s is 1 by f s plus 2. So this one is L inverse of f of s star of L inverse of g of s. That is equal to L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 star, that star is indicating in a convolution, L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 2. So this is equal to e power of minus t star of e power of minus of t. So in a convolution function definition is f of t star of g of t is equal to integral 0 to of a t f of u g of t minus u into du. One is u, another one is a t minus u. Or you change it f of t minus u or g of u, but most of the problem using in a first one. So or 0 to t f of t minus u g of u into du. So one function replaced by u, another one is the t minus u. So this is f of t, this is for g of t. So integral of 0 to t e power of minus u e power of minus of 2 into t minus u into du. Integration with respect to of a u. So integral 0 to t e power minus u e power of minus t, minus into minus plus, no, e power of plus 2u into du. For e power, my integration with respect to u, no, this one is the constant. So e power of minus 2t integral of 0 to t e power minus u e power 2u into of du. Now you combine these two. So base is same, only power is different, no, add these two. So e power of minus 2t, one sign is minus, another one is the plus, so you subtract. So integral of 0 to t e power of u into du. E power x integration is e power x, so that is equal to e power of minus 2t e power u into 0 to of t. So e power minus 2t e power t minus of a 1. This is the final solution. One more problem based on in a convolution. In terms of one is cos, another one is a sine, or both of them in a cos function. The next question is using convolution theorem. Find L inverse of s divided by s square plus a square whole square. So L inverse of s divided by s square plus a square whole square. So this is L inverse of s divided by s square plus a square. Consider one is f of s, another one is g of s, no. Numerator is only 1 s. You combine in a either f of s term or a g of s term. So s divided by s square plus a square, but denominator is here 2 term is there. So s square plus of a square. So L inverse of s divided by s square plus a square star of L inverse of 1 divided by s square plus a square. This is a cos formula. Next one is a sine, but sine is numerator is s. A you missing a, no, multiply by a, divide by of a. So this one replaced by cos at star of sin at by of a. So integral of 0 to t, this one t replaced by sin, cos au sin of a into t minus u into du, that 1 by a here taking out here. So here only either cos alone or a sin alone means formula, direct formula is there, but here multiplication sin and cos. You remember the formula in a 2 cos a sin b, 2 cos a sin b. So sin a plus b, yes, minus of sin a minus b, minus of sin a minus of b. There are 4 type of combination is there. Next one is 2 cos a cos b, 2 sin a sin b. Remember in all the formula. So here in your a is capital A is equal to au, but b is a into t minus of u. You find one is a plus b, another one is a minus of b. So a plus b separately find, avoid the mistake, you find the separate term of a plus b and a minus b. So first one is a plus b, no, au plus at minus of au. Au is cancelled only for at. So a plus b value is at. Next one is a minus of b. A minus of b is au minus at, minus into minus plus au. So answer is 2au minus of at. Formula is sin a plus b, sin a minus b, no, I substitute here 1 by a so 1 by a integral of 0 to t sin of a plus b sin a t, formula is minus sin of 2au minus a t into du. Now you see previous one is multiplication of both the trigonometric functions sin and a cos, but here segregated now in a sin term alone. So 1 by a, that formula is the direct formula, sin x formula, integral 0 to t sin a t du minus of integral 0 to t sin of 2au minus of a t into du. Integration with respect to of a u, but here sin at is constant. So your first one is sin at, only the integration is du, u 0 to of a t, limit is 0 to t, minus sin, no, integration of a sin, so minus of cos of 2au minus of a t, but again the 2au integration, no, that is in a 2a, limit is 0 to of t. So in 1 by a, that is in a t into sin a t, t, no, that is minus into minus plus a t, 2at minus at, no, cos a t by of a 2a, lower limit is minus sign, but here minus into minus plus, but minus u replaced by 0, only minus at, cos of minus at is cos at, divide by of a 2a. So answer is t sin at by a. Find L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square, s square plus b square, or numerator is s square. So solution of that question is L inverse of s square divided by s square plus a square, s square plus b square. So L inverse of 1 divided by s square plus a square dot s divided by s square plus b square. So L inverse of s divided by s square plus a square convolution of star of L inverse of S divided by S square plus B square. This formula is cos AT star of cos BT. So the formula is integral of 0 to t cos of A u cos of B into t replaced by one is u, another one is t minus u into du. The formula is L inverse of f of s g of s is equal to L inverse of f of s star of g of s. Sorry. L inverse of g of s using this step. So this is the formula for f star of g is equal to integral of 0 to t f of u g of t minus u into of a du, this formula. So again one more formula, 2 into here product of 2 cos, no, so there is no direct formula for both product term. So 2 into cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Here A is AU, capital AU is equal to AU, capital B is equal to B into T minus of U. So A plus B, now you separately find A plus B and A minus B. Avoid the mistake, you separately you calculate A plus B and A minus of B. So A plus B is AU plus BT minus of BU. So A minus B into U plus BT. A minus B means AU minus of BT minus into minus plus BU. That is in A plus B U minus of a BT. I substitute here now integral of so integral of 0 to t, the formula is 2 cos A cos B, now here 2 also missing, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 integral 0 to t cos of A plus B, cos of A plus B is A minus B U plus BT plus cos of A plus B U minus of BT into of a du. So now segregate, now here product of cos A cos B, but here only the cos term alone, next also is same cos term alone. So this is equal to 1 by 2 cos x integration. Cos x integration is sin of A minus BU plus BT divided by differentiation integration with respect to u, know A minus B plus sin of A plus B u minus of BT divided by A plus of B. Limit is 0 to of a t. So 1 by 2 u replaced by f a t sin A minus of BT plus BT divided by A minus of B plus sin of A plus B T minus of BT divided by A plus B. That is in a, both of them in a substitute in a upper limit. So next one is the lower limit now. U replaced by 0. Sin 0 is 0, but U is 0 plus another one more term is the no. That is a BT. Minus of lower limit is minus. So sin BT divided by A minus B minus of sin of minus BT, no, sin of BT minus BT. So sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Minus of sin theta. Here sin of minus BT. So that is in a minus of sin BT. So already minus lower limit is minus, minus into minus plus 1 divided by A plus of B. So this is 1 by 2 sin of bt is cancelled, sin at divided by a minus of b. So here bt is cancelled plus sin at divided by of a plus of b minus sin bt divided by a minus b plus sin bt divided by a plus b. So combine in the first two terms, sin at is next two term is a sin bt, no, 1 by 2 sin at, but here 1 by a minus b plus 1 by a plus b. The next plus sin bt 1 divided by a minus b plus minus plus 1 divided by a plus b. So 1 divided by 2 a plus b, a minus b, no, a plus b plus a minus b divided by a square minus of b square. Same thing in second part also, plus sin bt minus of a plus b, so minus a minus b plus a minus b divided by a square minus of b square. So 1 by 2 1 by 2 sin 80, that a is cancelled 2 times, now 2a sin 80 2a divided by a square minus of b square. The next is minus 2b, a is cancelled, minus of plus sin bt minus of 2b divided by a square minus of b square. So 2 also a cancel, and final result is a into sin 80 minus of b into sin bt divided by a square minus of b square.